So it nice and she love it how it feel. She love it when it ripe cause it easy off a peel. Give her it spoon now then she start to squeal. She tip on her toe then she drop it on the heel. Could I take it fried to the boil to the steam. She say it no matter it don't really make no deal. She want the plantain bend with bread.
And that was our intro video Plantain by Twani Price. Welcome to this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leeanna. This week we're on Constant Spring Road in Halfway Tree. This week we're gonna bring you the Miss Jamaica World Grand Coronation Show and the 100 Live. Stay tuned, your Pree Dis journey starts right now. We kick off this week's show with highlights from the Miss Jamaica World Grand Coronation Show held at the Pegasus Hotel right here in Kingston. Let's see which young lady took the crown home.
Everybody good? Everybody alright? Yeah man, watch it now. So I'm dreaming of a new Jamaica. A lot of peace and love. Some say they cannot see no. That's why they leave this land. But I am no without a fear. And that's why they wrote this song. Come along and say, hey, come sing this song with me. Sing this song now. Who love Jamaica? Hey, it goes. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Me happy on the sun. What's your man banana? Oh, hey.
what makes you an ideal candidate for the Miss World title?
A year ago, I would have told you that I'm the ideal candidate for that title because I believed I prepared 100% for it. Same time last year, I was victimized by a very violent sexual assault, and it forced me to redefine who I was as a person, as a member of my society, and just as someone existing. Since I've entered this competition and I have grown, I would say, I think I've come to a point of self-actualization where I might not be the prettiest girl of the bunch, I might not be the most talented girl of the bunch, I might not have the ideal perception of a beach body, but having been through what I've been through, I know for sure that coupled with the principles that my family and my community have given me, I am one of the bravest women. And I believe that this bravery will definitely fuel the courage that it will take, not only to represent the true essence of a Jamaican woman, but to inspire many others to go after their dreams and be the change that they wish to see in the world. Thank you.
Everything went into getting this title tonight. I'm so pleased, I'm so happy. I had to leave work for some time to do this and it was worth it. I'm happy that I did it because now I get to give more of myself to my country.
What was the motivating factor that made you enter Miss Jamaica World 2018?
My motivation was my community really and my family members. And I'm so happy that I used that influence to do this. I do not regret it for one second.
Was there any time during the pageant that you felt like giving up or pulling out?
Many times. A lot of times, especially when things became so overwhelming with travel and expenses. But God brought me through and I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Travel means you're coming from far. How far are you coming from?
I'm from St. Elizabeth, a little district called Carr in Newmarket. So I've been up and down for this whole journey and it's been tiring, but I'm so happy that I did it. As I said before, I don't have any other words to express.
What do you do?
I'm a physical therapist at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth.
How long have you been working there?
I've been working there for approximately 7 months or 8 months. Right.
I know what they felt about you entering a pageant.
They were fine with it because my purpose is solely for the community and to increase health awareness for the community, so they were on board with it, and I'm happy that they were. I'm 23 years old. I attended the Hampton School in Malvern, St. Elizabeth, and then I'm matriculated to the UE, where I studied physical therapy for 3 years. Well, I'm planning to use this platform to inspire whoever I can, girl, boy, man, woman, everyone, and to help to promote my project, which is called Helping Hands in the Community, which encourages persons to use their specific skills and gifts to aid their community and to increase exercise awareness in Jamaican population.
Tell us the one thing that we don't know about you that we find amusing or interesting.
Well, interestingly enough, backstage was very cold, and when I'm cold I can't function, so I was just wrapped up in a ball for the whole night, so I have to keep warm. That's one thing. That's right off the top of my head.
And those were highlights from the Miss Jamaica World 2018 Grand Coronation Show. All the best to the new queen on her reign this year. Now we're on to our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the talent on the rise and the music video premiere. We'll be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala bar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a stock. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, Magnum.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get through what me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me say